Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, a guide to getting started. Affiliate marketing is a business strategy in which you promote goods and services provided by other businesses to earn commissions. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it eliminates the need for you to maintain inventory, produce your own items, or provide customer service. We'll walk you through all the necessary steps in this tutorial to get started with affiliate marketing right now and set yourself up for success. Chapter 1. What is affiliate marketing? Before diving into the world of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals. As an affiliate, you will promote goods or services on behalf of a firm via affiliate marketing, which is a performance-based marketing approach. Every sale, lead, or action brought about by your marketing efforts earns you a commission. Because you assist in generating sales, the firm pays you for your efforts. This business model benefits both the affiliate and the corporation. Why choose affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers numerous advantages, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Here are a few perks of affiliate marketing. Low barrier of entry. It is not necessary for you to develop goods or services, buy inventory, or provide customer service. The product is already designed and built for you. All you need is just to find ways to promote it. Flexible work schedule. You may work from any location with an internet connection and at your own speed with affiliate marketing. Passive income potential. Once established, your affiliate marketing efforts may bring in money day and night, even while you're sleeping. That's one of the most useful perks of affiliate marketing. Diverse niches. Every niche, including technology, health, fashion, and travel, has an affiliate program. All you need is to find the one that's most suitable for you and start working on it. Scalability. You can scale your affiliate marketing efforts to increase your earnings as you get more experience. Chapter 2. Finding your niche. One of the most important steps in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. Your chosen niche ought to be in line with your skills, passions, and consumer needs. Identifying your interests and passions. Think about the subjects or goods that actually pique your interest. Your enthusiasm will sustain your motivation and facilitate the production of engaging content. Market research. To find market niches where there is a need, thoroughly investigate the market. To determine the market's potential, use resources like competitor analysis, Google Trends, and keyword research tools. Competition analysis. Examine the rivalry in the niche you have selected. Exist any well-known websites or affiliates? Which tactics are they employing? Can you provide something special? Choosing a profitable niche. Your interests and market demand should coexist in a lucrative niche. When making your ultimate choice, take into account elements like commission rates, product availability, and affiliate programs. Chapter 3. Building your online presence. The basis of your affiliate marketing journey is your web presence. It entails setting up a blog, website, or social media accounts on which you will interact with users. Registering a domain and hosting. Select a domain name that accurately captures your brand and niche. To guarantee the speed and security of your website, pick a reputable hosting company. Building a website. When building your website, use user-friendly platforms like WordPress. Choose a theme that is appropriate for your niche and design a simple, intuitive layout. Content creation. High-quality content is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Create informative and engaging articles, videos, or other media to attract and retain your audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. To get your content ranked on search engines, learn about SEO techniques. Your website will receive organic traffic as a result, improving the success of your affiliate marketing campaign. Chapter 4. Finding affiliate programs. You must sign up for affiliate programs and select goods or services to promote in order to begin receiving commissions. Affiliate network versus in-house programs. Affiliate programs are available through in-house programs provided directly by businesses or through affiliate networks, like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Each has advantages and disadvantages. Weigh which best fits your objectives and niche. Choosing the right products. Choose goods that suit your target market and fit into your niche. Make sure the products offer competitive commissions and have excellent sales pages. Applying for affiliate programs. Apply to the affiliate networks you have selected. Certain programs might have prerequisites or demands, such as a minimum amount of website traffic. Chapter 5. Creating content and promoting affiliate products. Now that you have your website set up and you have enrolled in their affiliate program, it's time to start product promotion. Give your audience educational, entertaining, and informative content. By sharing your personal experiences and insights, you can build credibility and trust. Promotional techniques. Naturally include affiliate links into your writing. Showcase affiliate products using a range of marketing strategies, such as listicles, tutorials, and product reviews. Disclosing affiliate relationships. In affiliate marketing, sincerity is essential. To be open and honest with your audience, always be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Chapter 6. Driving traffic to your website. Your affiliate marketing efforts will not be successful if there is no traffic. Let's look at how to attract relevant visitors to your website. Search engine optimization, SEO. To get natural traffic, keep making your content more search engine friendly. Apply on-page SEO strategies and conduct keyword research. Social media marketing. Make use of social media channels to market your affiliate products and content. If social media advertising is within your means, interact with your audience. Paid advertising. Think about using paid advertising on websites like Facebook ads and Google ads. To reach prospective clients, allocate a budget and precisely target your advertisements. Email marketing. Make use of your email list to increase return visits to your website. Distribute updates, newsletters, and exclusive offers to your subscribers. Chapter 7. Analyzing and optimizing your campaigns. Make data-driven optimizations and conduct regular analyses of your affiliate marketing campaign's performance. Tracking conversions. To keep an eye on clicks, conversions, and earnings, use analytics and tracking tools. Recognize what is and is not working. Split testing. Conduct split tests on different affiliate products, marketing strategies, and landing pages to determine the most effective approach. To maximize conversion rates, try various calls to action, headlines, and content layouts. Chapter 8. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. You can scale your affiliate marketing business to make more money after it has been established successfully. Expanding your content to reach a wider audience and market more affiliate products by creating quality content. Diversifying income streams. Enroll in more affiliate programs and look into alternative ways to make money, such as consulting, digital goods, or sponsored content. Outsourcing and delegating. As your company expands, think about contracting out duties like social media management, SEO, and content production to free up your time for strategic planning. Chapter 9. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. In order to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to be aware of the typical difficulties and traps. Lack of patience. In affiliate marketing, patience is key to success. Resist the impulse to give up too soon. Have perseverance and patience. Overpromotion. Don't overexpose your audience to affiliate offers. Make sure to include both non-promotional and educational content in your content. Ignoring compliance. Respect the guidelines of your affiliate program and the law. Avoid making false or deceptive claims and disclose affiliate relationships. Chapter 10. Staying informed and adapting to change. The landscape of affiliate marketing is constantly changing. Remain up to date and adjust to technological and industry developments. Continuing education. Invest in your education by enrolling in affiliate marketing courses, attending webinars, and reading trade blogs. Adapting to algorithm changes. Social media sites and search engines regularly change their algorithms. Keep yourself updated about these developments and modify your tactics as necessary. For new entrepreneurs, affiliate marketing is an exciting and lucrative business model. You can launch a profitable affiliate marketing business on day one if you have the correct niche, excellent content, and persistent work. Remember that being successful in affiliate marketing takes time, ongoing education, and a dedication to offering your audience value. You can succeed in affiliate marketing over the long term by following the instructions provided in this guide and remaining committed to your objectives.